Lucent KWGT is an advanced Android application designed for users who want to customize their device's home screen with unique and personalized widgets. This app is particularly tailored for KWGT, a popular widget maker, allowing users to create stunning, dynamic widgets that enhance both functionality and aesthetics. Lucent KWGT offers a diverse collection of pre-designed widget templates that feature clean layouts, vibrant colors, and modern typography. Users can easily modify these widgets to suit their preferences, adjusting elements such as size, color, and data sources, including weather updates, calendar events, and more. The app is ideal for individuals looking to elevate their home screen experience as it combines creativity with practicality. With its intuitive interface and extensive customization options, Lucent KWGT enables users to create a personalized and visually appealing home environment, making their devices stand out.